Today, we're going to show you how to use the out-of-office workflow and to create a response when you and your colleagues are out of office. So let's go ahead and go navigate to the workflow tab here to the left side panel. Let's go ahead and create a workflow. You'll be automatically introduced to this trigger, which is an incoming message. So that means whenever there's an incoming message, we're going to trigger this workflow. Let's click this flow control item, which is schedule. We're going to hover over here until we see that nice little plus icon so we can drag and drop. And then when we click again into schedule, what you're going to see is an ability to name the item. So let's go ahead and call it out of office set for Alex. And we'll select the time zone as Pacific. So we'll say Canada Pacific. And then we're going to go ahead and select just a couple days that I'm going to be out of office. So I know that I'm going to be out of office from, as an example, 8 a.m. till noon because of an appointment. And I can do the same for every other day as well. Same thing for Tuesday, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And whenever it is true, meaning whenever somebody messaged me during these specific hours, I'm going to want our system or my inbox to be able to send an automatically generated message. So I can send a message. So again, out of office Alex, send a message back to the sender. So you have the option again to send it to a cohort of people if you needed to alert a group of people whenever I'm out of office. And then you're going to send it to the sender. So what we're going to say is, unfortunately, I am out of office today. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. This will be an unnamed workflow. I'm going to call this out of office Alex. Make sure to click the check mark, save again. And then what I'm able to do is assign this to an inbox. So my inbox is the phone number. So here corresponds to the phone numbers on the left side panel. I'm going to go ahead and click the main line. And so now whenever somebody texts in, it's going to trigger it. And there you go. So I say hello from my cell phone, and then it says the workflow that is triggered is out of office Alex. And it says, hi, unfortunately, I'm out of office today exactly as we wrote it on that workflow. And that's how you set your out of office.